Hello, my name is Jörg and welcome to coachRED.net. In the prior video, we updated the checkbox and the task. In this video, we delete the to-do. The icon for the deletion was already created in the last video. So here I can go straight into the logic section of the icon and drag in the delete record to connect it to the component tab. Before I can use the delete record, I need to enable and configure it in the data tab. But before getting active here, I check out the Sashido REST API documentation for deleting objects, which parameters I need to actually delete a record. The HTTP method is delete. That's great. That's the same like in Appgyver. The two header parameters with the application ID and the REST API also look standard, and I also need the object ID to delete a record. Okay, now I have all the information and I can head back to Appgyver. Here I first enable the method. Second, in the relative path I add a slash ID in curly brackets as the parameter. Next, I define ID as a URL placeholder. Label, key, both are called ID. It is non-static and it is not optional. Delete record is configured. I head back to the logic section to check the resource name is to do, that's fine. The ID parameter, which I just set, is here. So I can set it to the item in repeat and here the current object ID. In the logic, after I delete the record, I want to update my list of tasks. I have defined flow function 1 to do exactly that. So I go into the by me tab, drag in flow function 1 and connect it to the delete record. The get record collection needs to be configured, so I double click on flow function 1 and set the resource name to to-dos. After saving the app, I go into preview to test the app. On the new one task, I tap on edit and then delete, and it's gone. Perfect. Our deletion works. And that concludes the create, read, update and delete series on Sashido. See you in one of the other coachRED.net videos.